So let me show you how to put in and set up the battery pack. So basically you get this stripe that you can hook it on the side of this battery pack, and so with this stripe you can carry it around very easily with this pack. And when you get the battery, you can just put it into this battery pack. And there's like a little tape you can secure the location. And if you see on the battery pack, there's a hole on this side, and you can just push the wire through this and close it, and then zip it, so you don't have to deal with a long wire. So you just have to poke it out from the hole, and that's it. And this is the cable that you can connect one side to the battery and the other side to the machine. So here we are. This is how to work with the control panel. So basically this is the speed of feeding the ball, and this is the second row. The second one is the speed, how fast the top spin is going to be, the top wheel, the top motor is going to be, and this is the bottom wheel. So the result of these two are going to determine the final spin, whether it's a top spin. If it's a top motor speed is heavier than the bottom motor speed, it's going to produce a top spin. And the bigger the difference, the heavier the spin is going to be. And now let's try to connect the battery to here. And when you turn on the switch, and you can see the battery level here, indicator, and then pretty much you're ready to go. And this is like the start and pause button. You can hear the engine start warming up, and this is where you adjust. And for this angle adjustment, and when you turn right to tighten it, when you turn left is to lose it, to make it loose, and then you can move it up and down to your desired angle or your angle of your adjustment, and then you turn it right to tighten it, to secure the angle. So once again, turn left to loosen it, move up and down, and once you reach the angle you want, turn right to secure and lock it. And for the battery, and you can see here there's there's this handlebar, and actually you can place the battery here. You can hang it over here, and it's pretty convenient to just place the battery here if you move it, the machine, up and down the cord. Yep. And when the on switch is on, you can just use this button, which is play and stop, and just control with that. And also you can control with a remote inside the box. So once we set up the battery and we're connected, and it's time to kind of load up the ball. This is how you open up the lid. This is basically where you place the balls. You can load it up to about 80 balls in here, 80 to 90. So you can place it like baseline to baseline. As you can see, you can reach to the baseline. So surf line, of course, you just have to kind of lower the speed a little bit, so you can maybe lower the angle too, to play net volley. Also with like a little bit of toss mode, you can see you can place the machine here and just toss the ball to the baseline. Yeah, so you can put it in the center of the line and just toss it to you. For example, you can go really fast. This is like 1 second per ball, so you can go really fast, do like a fast ground stroke drill. So the real-time speed, like 1 second per ball.